Yo, what's up? How you doing, guys? Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. My name is Damian from The Monkeys, and today I want to show you the old town local area of Kuta, because maybe not many of you know the Kuta is not only big restaurants and the fancy places, but they also is very local area. It's called Tuban Kuta. So we are starting today's vlog from the Ramayana in Kuta, and they are like a big restaurants, like seafood restaurant, Chinese restaurant, Chinese food, Indian, sports bar, stuff like this. And we are heading into German area and Tuban, and this everything from this area going more south. It's already called Old Town. I calling this Old Town of Kuta. It's actually almost Tuban, which is different town, but still. Most of the people consider this as the Kuta. Many old 5-star hotels here around, and the water boom will be very soon at the front. And here is the Bubba Gump shrimp, or used to be a long time ago. Weather today in Bali is not so good again. Anyway, rainy season, so you should expect that. Bali Garden here on the left, on the right. Money changers, not actually ATMs. Here is the water boom. Here we go, guys. Water boom is open, and here is famous Discovery Shopping Mall. Unfortunately, still very quiet. Also, deep inside there is really not much is happening in this mall. Same like outside of the mall. Usually it was super busy and so much life around, but yeah. And here we go, this is already Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel, Balirani. And well, this is all still 5-star old hotel, Balinese styles hotel for everyone who are not familiar and interested to come to Bali and want to spend time in Kuta area. Definitely worth a try these hotels, because they are old. They still keep very old traditional style and architecture. And we are going more and more deep. This is still Kuta, but almost Tuban anyway. Well, like always, like everywhere in the area of Kuta Legion, Seminyak, so many shops, statue shops. Here is the Bali Dynasty and the Irish pub. We made the vlogs everywhere around already many times. And Anvaya Hotel, pretty nice hotel, 5-star hotel, local owned also. There are some even international tourists working on the street. Big surprise for me, but positive surprise. Well, anyway, still very quiet to compare to the normal time, and pretty the same like last years. I make vlogs already here for people who watching us very long. You know that, as I showed you this area pretty many times, but it's been a month or maybe more when I was here last time, so decide why not. Anyway, the weather is not so good. Anyway, Lipo Mall here, also one of the oldest mall in Bali. And here at the front we have a Catholic church in Kuta, very popular church to Catholic community in Kuta. And yeah, usually this is the nice tailor, by the way, also in Kuta, very old, if you're looking for suit or something like that. Anyway, this is already area of German beach, but we are on the street side, but the German beach will be if we're gonna go over here right now. But we are going into different direction. We are going into the town, and I wanna show you the Tuban. And basically here already is Tuban started. It's called Tuban Kuta, but this is the old town like Kuta. Everything started here. Before, where was the airport, there was the village already before tourism arrived to Indonesia, to Bali especially. If you're gonna go this direction right now, there is the airport, but we are going here. And this is already Tuban. Welcome to Tuban. Tuban, in shortly, this is very local area of Kuta in Bali. Still many local restaurants, still many local people living here. Also residential area of Kuta is here. Many local people living, many foreigners also living here. And this is, by the way, the backstage of the church. Church is quite big in Kuta for every Christians who are interested. They have a security and everything, so it's pretty safe. Anyway, yeah, of course, everywhere on the left, on the right, small gangs where you can find the local houses and the modern villas where foreigners living. Here is just a little bit of empty land. You can play football if you want, and there's supposed to be so many local warungs here selling the you know, nasi things and the fruits, but they are also closed. Currently it's very quiet. It's more quiet than I was here last time. Seems like many also local people who was from different islands of Indonesia went home, unfortunately. Here is the Swiss Bell Hotel. I have lots of great memories from this place, because when I first time come to Bali, I used to stay in this hotel for 11 days, just next to the temple. I always remember that special place for me. However, at that time when I was here first time, it was so busy. Anyway, street food like here, just next to the hotel, 4-star hotel. And if you're gonna go in this small gang over there, there is some restaurants, and also you will just arrive at the front of the Lippo Mall. Yeah, Discovery Mall, sorry. Kuta Royal, another old hotel. The mall, you will just arrive next to the Discovery Mall, at the front of Discovery Mall, next to the Bamboo restaurant. My bad, I made mistake. Not gonna cut this. Best Western Kuta Resort. As you see, you can find 4- and 5-star resorts in that area also, but instead of having so many fancy restaurants like in the other parts of Kuta or Legian, you can have a very local small warungs with the local food. And I know many of you guys have a great memories from that area. I'm one of you, because first time when I come to Bali, I come to this place, to this spot, which is actually quite unusual in the past years. And also some of you are living in this area. I also know, because many expats living in Kuta also. And if you guys or the expats living in Kuta, to find a house, you must live somewhere over here. And also next to the German beach, they are more fancy residential area. This is more local. In general, in normal conditions before, you know what, they was super busy, like really extremely busy, was really so much life everywhere around. But seems like now everything is actually very quiet, and even many shops, local shops, are closed because of some of them, or maybe 50% of them, half of them, they were owned by the people from other islands of Indonesia, Indonesian people, and due to no customers, no life, let's say, no tourists, even the local life, not much, many of them, they decide to go home. It's been a while when I used to actually explore this area, and I may forget a little bit. Anyway, on the another corner, meanwhile, that's how it simply look. Supposed to be a lot of local life with some small guest house and usually 4-star hotels around, 3-4-star hotels. But seems like everything has changed. It's touched local area also. It doesn't touch only like a Legian Street or Poppies Lane, where are totally tourist place, but also local side. Because the old town of Kuta Tuban was definitely much more local. Anyway, here just next to Indomaret, there is small gang, and you can go to Ramayana area of Kuta, where is the Kuta Square, basically where is this Gojek driver is coming. And just here is the hotel where the graphic designer Mick Everidge, what's up, mate, used to stay here and having lunches and enjoying their time in this area. So this is also for you, mate. Hope so you enjoy, and you can also comment below and confirm that what I'm saying, as everything here seems very, very quiet to the times when it's supposed to be super busy. Because I remember when I was stayed, like that was a few years, many years ago actually, around this entrance was so hard to get. And anyway, this is already the main street coming from airport. Also, you can go by this road. So basically, where is traffic junction and little police station, you just go straight here, and it's already also local part of the street. This is like connecting street from the main street going to Kuta Square and Kuta Beach, everywhere in Kuta basically. But there is already more touristy one, supposed to be more tourists here, and more restaurants, bars, shops selling the merchandises and stuff like this over the local shops. but well, everywhere, like everywhere elsewhere in Kuta, Legian is almost everything closed. Also here, this area was very famous for the massages, massage parlors of any kinds, if you know what I mean, and also the tattoo shops, and well, yeah, like this. I don't know even what should I say, because it's very quiet. No matter where you go in Bali right now, of course on the south part, like a tourist cities, where even you go to the local side where the locals supposed to live, is still quiet. And well, Kuta Point, and obviously Ramayana at the front, and the Kuta Square, exactly the place where I just simply started to vlog today. So simply in the around 10 minutes, maybe 12 minutes, I make the circle going all around. And this is exactly Ramayana and the seafood restaurants. And well, as I said at the end of the driving video, in 10, maybe 12 minutes, I made all around the area. Now you have a point of view. I especially starting from recording where is this big restaurants over there. One of them is there, also here it's closed. So you have a point of view, where is it? And if you would like to maybe in the future explore that area for having more local vibe in Kuta, because that's actually still Kuta, 10 minutes walk you can get into Main Street. I think it's great place for you, but in normal conditions was super busy. Like I said already, many of people went home. Many people asking what's happened with the people who own the shop. Yeah, simply they go home. Many of them, they coming from different islands of Indonesia, and they have to leave it and start going to their home, start in the new job or business or whatever they do for living. And pretty sad, waiting for better times. As always, thank you so much for watching, and as I always, I will see you tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.